Coinlist has announced its new pre-sale project. Let's take a look at the details together. The name of Coinlist's new pre-sale project is Teleport DAO. This project aims to provide reliable connections between Bitcoin and EVM, as well as between Bitcoin and Layer 2 solutions. Additionally, Teleport DAO claims that it will facilitate Bitcoin bridges. Teleport DAO will host two different applications within it, Teleswap and Teleordinal. The project seems promising. For more information about Teleport DAO, you can visit this page. Now, let's look at the pre-sale details. Registration began on April 11th and will end on April 18th. The price of the token has been set at $0.075. Moving on to distribution details, we see that a 20% slice will unlock after 75 days, with the remaining amount divided over 6 months. The estimated listing date for the token is July 17th. The total token supply will be 1 billion. In the pre-sale, we'll be able to make purchases ranging from a minimum of $100 to a maximum of $2,000, and we'll use USDC and USDT for these purchase transactions. Please make sure to check whether your country is on the list of ineligible countries before participating in the pre-sale. To participate in the pre-sale, all you need to do is click on this button. On the next page, you'll see the I accept button. Click on this button and proceed. After verifying your identity, you'll need to verify your wallet. I'm proceeding by clicking on the Verify button. Now, I need to specify how much I want to buy here. To do this, you need to have funds in your account. You must have assets in USDT or USDC. If you already have funds in your wallet, simply enter the purchase amount here and use the Continue button. After the draw, Coinlist will send us an email notifying us whether we've won or not. If we win, we'll be able to receive the token. If we lose, our money will be refunded. I usually prefer using USDT for purchase transactions in pre-sales. And I usually transfer Solana using my Solana wallet on Coinlist. Then, I convert Solana to USDT in the buy-sell section within Coinlist. You can choose a different crypto address if you prefer. Sometimes transactions on Coinlist can be delayed. Therefore, I recommend not leaving transfers until the last hours. I wish everyone good luck in advance. See you in the next video.